Howdy, gang. Take 3. So I watched my earlier video, and I want to thank those of you that pointed out to me that I misspoke, made a mistake, and I appreciate each and every one of you for keeping me on my toes. It's not the United States that's bringing people in across the border, it's Joe Biden. So thank you very much, and I appreciate that. I stand corrected. Thank you for that. You are right here. Always right here. So this video is a whole different ball of wax. Okay? I said a few weeks ago, or a number of weeks ago, that I was going to start doing some... wait a minute. Oh, look, this looks like the old Batman series. Batman! Yeah, I know. I'm just out of it. But I said a number of weeks ago I was going to start a few cooking videos. And what I should have done today was done a cooking video because I made carnitas. All right? And carnitas, for those of you that don't know, is a Mexican dish. But carnitas actually stands for, or is translated into, little meat. Right? So you cut it up, you chop it up into 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch cubes, whatever you want. I kept mine purposely big, and I actually posted a couple of pictures on my community page, and oh my God, it's so tender. It's like melt in your mouth delicious. I should have shot that video today, but I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to start doing and shooting videos with me cooking, because whether or not you like what I'm cooking, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you might. There's probably going to be a lot of you that don't, but that's cool. I missed that opportunity today. But damn, that carnitas is good. Oh my God. Add a little bit of salsa verde or salsa roja to that, and it is absolutely delicious. The only ingredient I could not find in Canada was Mexican Coca-Cola. But it didn't really matter because I put all of that carnitas meat, which is pork, right? The way I do it is pork. I put it all under the broiler. I put it under the broiler for 5 minutes, pulled it out, flipped it all over, put it under the broiler again for another 5 minutes. Oh my God. A 7-pound pork butt or pork roast, pork shoulder roast, whatever they call it. I call it pork butt. And that's what it is. It's not the hog's butt, it's the shoulder. But oh man, was it ever tender. I mean, I tried to pick it up off of the sheet tray when I pulled it out from underneath the broiler, and it was falling apart. It was fall off the bone tender. So I'm not going to miss this opportunity again, because I love cooking. I don't know why, but I love cooking. Never did for a long time. Didn't know how to cook anything except out of a box or a can. But just before COVID hit, I said, you know what? Prop Rebel, you need to start learning how to cook. And when I explained this cooking process to my beautiful bride this evening, she's going, oh my God, how yummy. I want you to be able to cook this for me when I get south. Well, you know what? I did this in an Instant Pot. Yes, an Instant Pot, believe it or not. And 45 minutes in an Instant Pot, once it came up to pressure, and it's like a pressure cooker, right? If you do it the right way. It's like a pressure cooker. First you braise the meat, then you cook the meat with all of the ingredients with it. Oh my God. I had a friend come over and be a taste tester for me, and she was like, holy crap, that's a keeper. That is a keeper recipe. And she's a total foodie, right? She gave me the biggest compliment in the world. She said, you need to keep that recipe and you need to do that again and again and again, because that recipe for carnitas is better than any restaurant that I have ever had carnitas in. And those were her words. And I'm going like, holy crap. Wow. I didn't think anything like that. I just thought, I'm making carnitas, you know? So that's high praise from a friend of mine that is an actual foodie. And she always volunteers to say, I will taste test your food if you're going to make it, and I will give you an honest answer. And she's given me a lot of honest answers about this stuff, because I have made a few meals that have been absolutely horrible. And she's told me that. This is inedible. This is not really palatable. This is something that I would never eat again unless it was redone. So, I mean, she's honest about this. And I've known her for a long, long time. So I trust her opinions on food, because I know she's a foodie from a long time ago. I'm not. I just need to cook and I need to eat. But she's a foodie. Whatever a foodie is, whatever that means. But she loves eating. She loves to be able to enjoy the taste of stuff. And I missed a huge opportunity today to share that with you, because I was just not thinking, you know. So be prepared. There's going to be some cooking videos coming up, and hopefully they will be as my friend said, enjoyable to the max. And if they're not, she'll tell me and I won't put them up. But Batman. I had to do it. Sorry. I'm in a funky kind of mood, and I just wanted to share this with you, because I love each and every one of you, and I miss each and every one of you, and you have all inspired me. Each and every one of you has inspired me in some way or another. Now, I'm going to say this. As preppers, we need to know how to cook. So, there's not a whole lot I know how to cook, but I'm learning. But I will take you along on that journey with me if you're willing to go there. I hope you are, because, I mean, I may not be cooking everything like 17-star restaurant or 5-star restaurant or whatever the hell it is, but I can cook some stuff that you will totally enjoy. And if you follow along with the recipe, if you follow along with what I'm doing, I think you probably enjoy it. I hope you'll enjoy it anyways. Now, I have to do things a little differently with my cooking, because my beautiful bride has a bell pepper allergy. So that means no bell peppers. That means no nightshades, aside from potatoes, because she can eat potatoes. But, you know, if you have an allergy to something, you have to learn to cook around it. I don't have allergies like that. And the only allergy I have is to stupid people. So I'm not going to cook them either. Oh my God. Where in the hell are you going with this, Rebel? Anyhow, it doesn't matter. I'm in a bit of a silly mood. Pinball, thank you very much for reaching out to me today. I know I was going to reach out to you yesterday, but life got in the way. And I was so very grateful for having that phone conversation with you today. I am so very grateful. Thank you so much. You lifted my spirits. You gave me, you gave me back what I was missing. And you also gave me back a whole lot more understanding and respect than I ever thought I ever deserved. So I am very grateful to you and to your wife and to this whole community. Thank you so much. I am very, very grateful. If there's anything I can ever do for you, just let me know and I will do it. I will have no problem, no compunction at all to be able to bend over backwards and help you. You are a great man, sir. Thank you. And for all of my subscribers and for all of the people in Pinball's community and my pinball and my community, sorry, not my pinball community, but Pinball's community and my community, I want to thank each and every one of you. You have lifted me up. You have given me the strength to move forward. And at a time when I really, truly needed it. And I am and will be forever grateful. Now remember this. The guy upstairs is always watching out for us. Do not let the devil do his dirty work. Do not let him ever chase you away from your path, because he'll try. I tried to say this the other night, and I got cut off. But you know what? Even though those of us that don't believe in those beings, and there are a lot of us out there, I do personally, but there are a lot of people out there that don't believe in that. You know what? They do. They believe in that. And they are always there. So watch yourselves, watch your six, and always, always be careful. I pray for each and every one of you. I love each and every one of you, and I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. You folks are the salt of the earth. Just remember, salt is something that you need to cook with. It also used to be a currency. Just say it. Anyhow, have a grand night, and we will talk to you soon. Prep Rebel, out.